Meet Trooper Byrd, the super cop known for his unmatched pursuit skills. Join us as we delve into heart-pounding moments of his daring chases and discover why he's hailed as the best in the force. On March 5th, 2024, around 5:02 p.m., LRPD contacted Arkansas State Police Troop, a dispatch for assistance with the pursuit of a stolen white Nissan Altima, plate AVJ58D V1, heading southbound near Roosevelt Road and Springer Bud. I, TRP, Byrd, responded to I-440D at Springer Boulevard, where the pursuit merged onto the interstate and continued to exit 5 at Forsh Dam.
We took push. Getting back on 440 East. Getting back on 440 East. Okay. 46 Rock out the Robbery. TBI.
I, TRP Jacob Byrd, responded to the area of State Highway 183 at Northwest 4th State, where I observed a white Chevy S10 bearing Arkansas ASR 81 NV1 fleeing from Saline County deputies. As V1 passed me, I assumed primary in the pursuit heading northbound on State Highway 183.
Gotta get stopped before it gets up the hill.
TBI. Show me your hands. Crossfire! Show me your hands. Open this door now. Get out! Crossfire!
Little Rock police officer locates a stolen vehicle. When the officers attempt to make contact with the driver, he takes off leading LRPD on a dangerous pursuit through the city. Arkansas State Police are notified. Trooper Byrd intercepts the chase and performs a pit maneuver, ending the pursuit.
Central, we're in pursuit of that stolen vehicle southbound on Pulaski from 19th Street. It's be occupied by a black male with a white beard. Southbound Pulaski at 23rd. The speeds are 60, no traffic. Eastbound Roosevelt, gonna be moderate traffic. Speeds right now are 30. Passing Chester on Roosevelt, speeds are 65, no traffic. Roosevelt passing Arch, speeds are 70, moderate traffic. It's going to be occupied one time, black male, bald head, white beard.
1447 call west 6 on Trevor Williams. Say please is direct on it there. Over the area. Street at Roosevelt.
Passing Main on Roosevelt. He's on the wrong side of the road. Stand by. I'm trying to get around traffic. He's still eastbound. On Roosevelt coming up to I-30. Roosevelt at I-30. Still eastbound. Be moderate traffic.
Henry, I'm catching up to you guys. I'll call it when I get up to you.
Alright, I'm trying to catch up to him. I'm still eastbound Roosevelt coming up to Springer. Still eastbound towards the airport. Speeds are 85, light traffic. Still eastbound Roosevelt, light traffic. Speeds 105.
Traffic here at Roosevelt Airport. Henry, are you two, man?
Yeah, I'll call it. I'm fine. We're going to be approaching Bond Street. Speeds 90. Traffic yielding, very light traffic.
He's 440 eastbound. Get back on the ramp. We're trying to get around to Stephen. Let him take it.
Yeah, alright, I'm number 2 now, Central. Get ready. TVI, TVI, TVI. Go, 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 go.
TBI, TBI.
What real smart was it, buddy?
1015 one time, clear the net.
I'd like to introduce you to my police.
Did y'all use my television?
Hey, I'm not resisting, man. Hold on, my leg, please.
What's wrong with your leg, buddy?
Please.
It's just hung up in the
Okay,
bonds.
we'll get you out the briars, bud.
Sir,
Put your foot on me, man.